Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this flicker fidget toy cucumber. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle, a TikTok clip and some stuffings. This cucumber flicker fidget toy looks so cute and beautiful, and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this fidget toy, we want to know the basic stitches like magic circle, chain and single crochet. First we will do this body part, then we will place a clip inside and some stuffings, then we will do the parts of this cucumber. So now let's see how to do this beautiful cucumber fidget toy. To do this beautiful cucumber, you are going to start with a magic circle. Chain 1. Yarn over, pull through the loop. So this is the magic circle. Next we are going to work inside this magic circle. You are going to do 6 single crochet inside the circle. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 5 more single crochet inside the circle. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. You can adjust the size of the circle by pulling this tail yarn. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next you can pull this tail yarn to close the circle. You are going to work in rounds. So for next round, you are going to do 2 single crochet in each stitch. So in the first stitch, you are going to do 2 single crochet. So place the stitch marker in this first single crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. That is single crochet increase. Likewise, you are going to do 2 single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. At the end of this round, you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, do single crochet in the first stitch. Place a stitch marker on that single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. At the end of this round, you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch, you are going to do for 15 rounds. In each round, you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. So let's see how it looks after completing them. That is, you are just going to do single crochet in each stitch for 12 stitches. You are going to work in rounds. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, take a clip. So you are going to attach this opening. First, place some stuffing. Then place this clip. Next, place some stuffing. Next, you can close this hole. You can make decrease. That is, you are taking front loop of first stitch, front loop of next stitch, yarn over, pull through both the loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it is decrease. You are going to do this for 6 times. Insert the hook in the first front loop of first stitch, front loop of next stitch, yarn over, pull through both the loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise, you are going to do them till you reach the last stitch. So at the end of this round, you will be having 6 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, extend the yarn a little bit, snip off this yarn. You can close the hole. Take the front loop of each stitch and pull to close the hole. So after doing them, the cucumber looks like this. So next we'll do the eyes, mouth, hand. After joining the eyes and the mouth, it looks like this. Next we are going to do the hand part. For that, insert it here. Take the yarn, pull through, do 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to do single crochet in the second chain from the hook and do single crochet in each stitch. And you're going to join it in the same place by doing a slip stitch. So now we are done with one hand. Do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Same way you are going to do another hand this side. After doing the hand, it looks like this. Flicker fidget toy cucumber. It looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.